Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good evening to each and everyone present here. I hope you all feel good. Myself, Iram Fatima and daughter of Hamad Azmi. Today I am here to give my topic. But before moving ahead, I would like to pay thanks to the director of Shafima, founder of MNH Academy and my mentor, Mahfuzur Rahman sir. So thank you so much sir. Well, my dear friends, today I feel honored to stand here and share my thoughts on the very important topic, but also life changing. I'm going to talk about something very important. It controls our whole life. It decides our future, whether we succeed or we fail in our life. It's not money, it's not luck, it's not some separate billionaire code, but it's time. Yes, my dear friends, the topic what I'm going to deliver today in front of you is time management for success. My dear friends, success doesn't come overnight in life, but success is simply the repeated use of habit. And habit is what? Habit is simply the repeated use of time. Or in another what we can say, habit is the reflection of how we use our time. So, my dear friends, if we want success in our life, then we must respect our time like we respect money. Better yet, respect time more than money. But the question is that do we really respect your time? No, we don't. Let's assume if someone drops 1 million, you will feel pain immediately. We will get anger. We want our money back. But if someone wastes our 1 hour of our time, then tell me, would we feel the same pain? Would we feel anger? No, because for us, time is most valuable asset in our life than money. So, my dear friends, money lost can be earned again by doing hard work, by skill, by talent. But the day lost can never be earned again. You know, once clock moves forward, one clock moves forward, you will not, your moment of life is gone forever. No effort, no fortune, no talent will bring it back. Let me ask you a question. How many of us would feel that 24 hours is not enough? Almost all of us, right? But the question is that do we really lack of time or do we really lack of proper use of time? Because the truth is that time is the only resource that everyone has in equal amount each day. Time. Time is in equal amount each day. We all of us get 24 hours. No one gets 25 hours. But the difference is the difference between successful person or unsuccessful person is time. Is time. How they manage those 24 hours in a day. Let me take a situation, then we will understand better. There is a student who studies 1 hour daily. A whole year he covers 365 hours. But there is a student who wastes their time every day and doesn't study just before exam, hardly gets 10 to 20 hours. So who do you think will fail or who do you think will succeed? Obviously, the one who uses his time wisely, he will get success, and the one who wastes his time foolishly, he will fail. So the conclusion is, if we respect time, time will reward us with success, and if we waste time, time will make sure that we will regret later. Let's imagine if someone gave you um okay let it in. Let's Allah gave us every day how many seconds? Anyone? None. Okay. 86,400 seconds. So 86,400 seconds we got every day. We can't save this, we can't store this, but we can invest it or spend it. So choose it wisely. It depends in our own choice. My dear friends, My dear friends, let's have a look at a real example. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, who born in a poor family in Rameshwaram, from child, from selling newspaper as a boy to studying under street light. He never wasted his time, and his use of time made him Missile Man of India and President of India. So he proved that background doesn't decide success. The use of time decides the success. So the conclusion of speech is that time management is the foundation of every success story in this world. So let us promise today we will respect our time. We will not waste our any second. We will not live in tomorrow, but we will live in today. But we will always consider our time as a success, as a key to unlock success. That in this way, inshallah, we will achieve success by valuing time, which is the precious gift of Allah. Thank you so much, guys, for appreciating with your great affection.